Okay, so actually I just went ahead and opened this one because I'm doing it all one-handed, so just get that initial stuff out of the way. And of course we got it wrapped again, so hold on, let me undo this one. I don't want y'all to suffer while I actually get. Okay, so it was packed again in some plastic here, and the little box looks like it's kind of crushed, but we'll see. I'm having a hard time focusing. There we go. Okay. And, okay, got a bunch of parts. And no instructions, but we'll figure it out. So, comes some parts here. Looks like the feet, a phone clamp, and then the little bar to hold the phone. So I'm going to try to get this thing assembled and see how it works, because this is what I've been waiting on. Hopefully my videos won't be so crazy, because I'll actually have a phone stand, so I don't have to do this one-handed anymore. So I'm pretty excited. Let's see how easy I can get it together. Alright, so it is the light stand, or phone stand. So it has these real heavy-duty metal bars. So we lost electricity, so I'm actually kind of doing this in the dark, so I apologize for the light here. But anyway, so you have these little legs that you can rotate out to make it very stable. It's not going anywhere. This just screwed in. There was a nut, a screw and a washer. And then this little guy is super flexible. So we have that. And then, let's see if I can get some good lighting here, sorry. So this little guy just adjusts, you can unscrew this, and then that adjusts the ball bearing in here, so you can adjust this. And again, it has the either can do it vertically or horizontally, so that just screws in. So let me just see if I can get a better view back here. Yeah, so that's basically it. You just put your phone in there, and then you don't have to watch a crazy person like me trying to do things one-handed. So I'm pretty excited. I'll put who this is by, and like I said, obviously I ordered it through Amazon, but I will put the manufacturer, and I think it's going to be great. So I look forward to using it.